Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that offers tools for building websites, managing email campaigns, and creating sales funnels. In this video, I will tell you about Builderall's affiliate program and how much you can earn as their affiliate. Now, I've included the link to try Builderall in the description of this video so you can check it out. Stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company with just a few short videos on this channel, most of which didn't even get 10 views. And at the end, I'll also tell you about the best affiliate marketing training for complete beginners. Now let's look at Builderall's affiliate program. So Builderall has an amazing affiliate program. They pay a ton of money. Lots and lots of their affiliates are earning over $10,000 a month, and some of their top earning affiliates have made over $500,000, even more than $1 million. So let's look at their affiliate commission structure. So not only do they pay you for direct referrals, but if you refer someone and they sign up to Builderall and then they become an affiliate and start recommending other people, you actually receive 30% commission on the sales of the affiliates that you also bring in. So you can make a ton of money if you actually promote Builderall directly, and if people actually sign up and become affiliates under you as well. They've got a cool little calculator here to show you how much you can make as an affiliate for Builderall. So let's say you can get one person to purchase Builderall in a year, then you'd be making about $23. But if you can also bring in an associate who's an affiliate for Builderall, and this associate brings in 5 people, now you've made $142. And so you can see that as these numbers go up, you can start making a lot of money from Builderall. Now let me show you how much I made as an affiliate from a different affiliate program with very few views. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now $89 might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very, very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.